You still could see an acquisition happen at some point.
Maybe they are actually just burning a lot more cash than people had thought.
There's probably more consolidation to come, and at the end of the day, you're not going to have 4 or 5 of them.
Another company raising roughly $250 million is Postmates, raising $225 million, valuation of about $2.4 billion, which is up from $1.85 billion in January. All these companies making big strides in 8 months. And this one, though, is being seen as a little bit less advantageous in the sense that there, I guess, was some chatter about Postmates being ready to IPO. And
or
so
being acquired, potentially. They were looking at it as a sale, like when Uber Eats or DoorDash, who are ostensibly bigger platforms in the food delivery space than Postmates is. Would they come in and want to acquire us? And nothing came out there.
Yep, DoorDash is valued at $12.6 billion. Uber Eats, I was looking at the Uber's quarterly earnings, and they break it out here. So it looks like it's around at least $3 billion in quarterly GMV for Uber Eats, which is, over $12 billion on an annual basis. So yeah, Uber Eats definitely very
value.
strong.
If you see these things, typically valued at a multiple of GMV, it would be in the ballpark of a DoorDash.
Yeah. So yeah, there's some rumors there. So this is kind of saying, hey, maybe they are actually just burning a lot more cash than people had thought. Still need to go down the traditional IPO route. Still need to actually raise capital and in an IPO as opposed to the direct listing.
Right. I think you still could see there an acquisition happen at some point as well. I don't think it's a done deal that these things stay separate forever. Food delivery is a very high margin business. There's definitely a regional winner take all dynamic. So within a given geography, there's not going to be 5 different competitors forever. We saw Caviar recently got acquired by DoorDash is one example. And I think that there's probably more consolidation to come. And you've still got Grubhub, Seamless out there, which has a little bit of a different model, which is they don't always have the delivery people. Sometimes they originally started connecting restaurants basically with diners, and then the restaurants had their own delivery people. Now they've started to layer in some of their own of Grubhub's delivery people basically as a service. So you're seeing a few of these things out there. I think at the end of the day, you're not going to have 4 or 5 of them. So I would expect some consolidation to happen before these things start to make money.
Hi, this is Alex Mozed. Thanks for joining us on Winner Take All. If you enjoyed the content today, which I bet you did, please comment, subscribe, and definitely message me on Twitter when we're doing live streams. Also, please note, all opinions expressed about stocks or public companies on the show are exactly that, opinions. This is not investment advice. Don't act on it. WisdomTree licensed Applico's Platform Insights data product to aid in the creation of the PLAT ETF. Thanks for joining us.